What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Here again with my official content now. For all those who have missed my first video for the new year, happy new year again. Even though it's so far into the year, we're not really far, but whatever. Still, I always have to bless up my subscribers and my viewers. So as you can see, my front wheel drive drag Honda is basically down. It's actually scrapped out. All the internals are here on the table. And forgive me for my table for being so messy, because right now I'm in the process of rebuilding the car. As you can see, I stripped a teeth in my spur gear. If you can focus, but yeah, you can see the groove there. Out of all the rest of them, it's not really focusing. But yeah, I stripped the teeth on that, so basically that's why the car is down. Can't really do anything unless I have that together. But I decided to, tear the car down and actually do a total rebuild of the car, because I ordered some different gears and they're on the way. Those gears are basically the same as these, but reinforced, so therefore I'll be able to put more power on the car, and still can have the car for longer. That is the main aim of getting those gears, and they're on the way, as I said. So stay tuned for that. Excited about it because now I can run the foams comfortably without even chipping any of the gears in the internals. Once I get those gears installed, I'll be also running rubber tires, but the problem I'm really having is the ballooning of the tires. So still doing some research on that. I have some of the street tires here that I use. You see how broad they are? Let me get them. Very broad. Yep. So these are my little street tires. To do some pulls on something. I think I did some pulls on the other one before, and some previous vlogs that I did, and it worked out fine. And yep. So stay tuned for this build, guys. This is my setup that I used before. My 45C 7.4 volt battery and my quick run Hobbywing 120 amp ESC. I did a little upgrade with the whole cap pack settings right now, where this is a little top secret combination that I have going on. And yeah, funny enough, when I actually did all the work on this ESC just a few weeks ago, the first time I launched the car, it stripped off the gear. So the thing about that now is that now I'm going to have to pay more close attention to this now, as I did some modifications to it. Need to get back another GNSS analyzer, because the one that I had before, I gave it to my dad because I wanted him to try it out, on his actual car, his automobile, so to speak. So yeah, also working with the 6.5 turn motor. No secret there in that one. Yep. So we could get it to focus. Yep, 6.5 turn motor right there. So I'm hoping to see if I can use the setup and actually go like probably 48, 50 miles per hour. I'm hoping. 6.5 turns is a very spicy motor for this small chassis. Right, so just stay tuned for this build, guys. Hoping to actually have on paper to build now the world's fastest Tamiya M05. So with this setup, not sure if I'll achieve it. Going to try out this setup, might be changing it, but the gears for sure, I'll definitely be pushing the car harder now with the reinforced gears that I purchased. So stay tuned. Leave a comment down below what you think about the whole, you could say, update and everything that's coming forward. Again, trying to see if I could get this car to 50. It's not easy because the chassis is such a small chassis, if you can see. Yep. And slowing down the car at that speed is going to be tricky. But stay tuned and we'll all see it happen right here. See?